Minnesota State University athletes are sporting green bandanas to be a listening ear to someone in crisis.
KUIC News Now's Randall Gim met two baseball players who bonded over being open about mental health struggles.
On the first full day of fall, Minnesota State University's baseball team was out in the sun preparing for next spring. New addition to the Mavericks outfielder Cole Yearsley is already making an impact on his team.
You know, he's helped us out a lot, not only on the baseball side, but just bringing this team together, and always brings positive vibes to this group. So yeah, I think it's very important that he's a part of our squad.
But Yearsley says that success didn't come easy. Before arriving at MSU, he had his fair share of struggles.
I wasn't sleeping, I wasn't eating, and I felt like I was getting attacked. I felt like I was pushed into a corner.
Yearsley felt cornered by negative thoughts and feelings that put him in a depressive state. After praying and talking to his mom, he made the crucial decision to reach out for help.
Talked to pastors, talked to different people, mentors that I, value their opinion and that I trust with, anything.
Shortstop Jake Birkland said he couldn't have guessed Yearsley went through any of that.
Yeah, honestly not. He seems like a very upbeat kid, and no, I wouldn't have guessed that until he did tell me his story, and we've talked about it.
Yearsley says those thoughts were scary, but he's not fearful of those past experiences.
It's not something that you should be embarrassed about. I mean, it happened. It's something I, couldn't control. And the only thing I can control is just taking the next step, waking up with a good attitude and just taking the next step forward.
Being available to people who are struggling with mental health is why Birkland has this green bandana on his backpack.
Because there are people out there that just can put on a face and hide their emotions and hide what they're going through, but the green bandana really can bring that out and provide someone like that with a safe person to talk to.
While having that support of family and friends, Yearsley also credits a higher power.
Being somebody that has gone through it, I think something that I would say is to lean on the word and trust him.
Yearsley and Birkland encourage those struggling to speak up, and everyone should be willing to listen. In Mankato, Randall Gim, KUIC News Now.
If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, you can always call or text 988 for immediate and confidential support.